Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to draw a cup and handle pattern in TradingView. Alright, let's begin. First, open your chart on a daily or weekly time frame. These time frames work best because they provide more reliable signals compared to shorter ones. Now, let's start with the cup. Use the trend line or arc tool to draw the rounded bottom. Next, draw a horizontal line across the top, connecting both rims of the cup. This marks the resistance level where price meets resistance before pulling back. Positioning this line correctly is important since it helps you identify breakout points. Now, move on to the handle. From the right rim of the cup, draw a downward sloping trend line that connects the highs of the pullback. This illustrates the short dip after the cup forms. Optionally, add a horizontal line at the low of the handle to set a stop-loss level. So that's basically how you can draw a cup and handle pattern in TradingView. That's it for this video. Thanks.